Two of the following videos are true while the other one is trash. Can you spot the fake? Round 1, let's begin. First up, take a lighter like this and remove the plastic cap. Then grab a pen with ink, cut the tube, and add a small drop of ink to the nozzle of the lighter like this. Now when you light it, the flame appears to levitate by burning pretty far from the lighter, as you can see here, and stays burning as long as you keep holding it down. If you take a small cast iron pan and heat it up to about 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and then drop about 1 milliliter of water on it, it takes about 5.5 seconds for the water to completely evaporate. But if you do this again, except this time make the pan much hotter at around 400 degrees Celsius or 750 degrees Fahrenheit, adding the same amount of water will take less time to evaporate since the pan is much hotter, this time taking a little more than 4 seconds. If you take a chicken bone, this one's from a Costco chicken, you see that it's strong and I can't bend it with my fingers. But if you soak it in some vinegar for about a week and then take it out and dry it off, the bone is now bendable. You've seen all 3 videos now, pause to vote in the comments which one you thought was fake. Did you think this levitating flame trick was fake? Well, nice try, but this is legit and is probably one of my favorite experiments that I've done in this entire series. The ink decreases the size of the nozzle, which means the butane shoots out at a faster speed. Fast enough that the flame doesn't propagate back to the opening like it normally would. It's pretty cool to see this up close, and I can even rotate my hand a bit as long as I keep the flow of butane. And here's what it looks like in slow motion in the dark. Soaking a chicken bone in vinegar for about a week also does make it bendy. That's because the vinegar dissolves the calcium in the bone. That means if you add the same amount of water to a much hotter pan, it actually won't evaporate faster, but rather will take much longer. This is due to the fact that the pan is so hot that the water is held up by a thin layer of water vapor that actually insulates the water from the heat of the pan. This is a demonstration of the Leidenfrost effect, and this water actually took about 2 minutes to fully evaporate.